Okay, hola. I'm going to show you how to use the particle counter for the clean room. It's got a DC input. It's okay to use on Chilean or US up to 240 volts. Just this kind of plug. I'm not going to plug it in because it's got a battery as well, so you can carry it around without a battery. This is the particle counter. When you take it out of the box, the only thing you need to do is attach. This is the humidity, temperature, etc. probe, the environmental probe. So you attach the environmental probe to the top and turn it on. Before you hit start, you need to take this cap off of the particle counter. This is where the air comes in. The air comes in here to do the particle count. It's set up to do 1 minute samples. So if you hit start, you'll hear the vacuum working. Particles are being sucked. The air is being sucked in through this hole, and it's counting particles. It's counting particles of 0.3, 0.5, 1 micron, 2.5 microns, 5 microns, and 10 microns. And you can see that here in the conference room on the summit, the number of particles is large. When you go through the menu, it's going to record the data and store every 1 minute. So when you want to stop, you just press this button again to stop recording data. Otherwise, it'll just record data forever. When the clean room is running, all of these should be pretty close to zero. You can see we're already at 6,500 counts at the 0.3 micron size of particles. It's running off of battery. Right now it's set up to do 10 cycles, each of 1 minute. We're counting down. We've got 7 seconds left. Then it's going to hold. It will store 3,000 particle counts. There are systems in here where it will tell you what is your ISO level or your counts per cubic meter, so you can figure out class 10, class 100, class 1000, etc. But once it's running in a clean room, again, these particle counts should be pretty close to zero. So in summary, it's pretty easy. Take this cap off, turn on the power, press this button to start counting, and it's set up to do a nice 1 minute count, which is kind of what you want as you turn on the clean room and get it running. Alright, I'll be available on WhatsApp or Slack or email if you have any questions on how to run this thing. And so I just hit stop. Alright. Buenos dias.